Week 9. This week, we will be going through PowerPoint number 6, so make sure you review that lecture and PowerPoint number 6 again. With this week, we're also going to be looking at the discussion board, which is going to be conditions of participation and an article that you have to review. So also with assignment number 14 and 15, we will go over those briefly. This information again is coming out of Chapter 6. It's Unit 9.6 and our outcomes are the same. Okay, so here for 14, there's charts and the UHDDS form below. It's going to be in an attachment. What you're going to do is take the information from the charts. You're going to fill in the blanks of the empty worksheet. And any help, read out of your textbook, page 138 and 139. And assignment 15 is going to be also a UHDDS assignment, and this will be from your EHR Go. If you have any questions, let me know this week.